Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss about how to turn on landscape mode on your iPhone iOS 18. For example, if you try to use your phone sideways and you see that your landscape mode is not turned off or it is not working, so how you can fix that or how you can turn off your uh, landscape mode on your iPhone. So for this, what you have to do, you have to simply watch this video completely. So without wasting any time, let's start the video. First of all, what you have to do, you have to simply make sure that you are connected to a proper Wi-Fi or internet connection. And after that, what you have to do next is you have to simply go to settings. So in settings, you have to simply go to general. So in general, you have to scroll it down until you find the option of transfer or reset iPhone. So here you have to simply click on transfer or reset, and you have to simply click on reset, and you have to reset all of your network settings. And after that, what you have to do next is you have to simply go back. Now you have to simply go to general again, and this time you have to click on software update, and here you have to make sure that you have installed the latest version of the iOS on your iPhone, because many bugs and errors are fixed by the latest version of the iOS. Now what you have to do next is you have to simply make sure that your lock orientation is turned off. As you can see, portrait orientation lock is not turned on. If it is turned on, then you will not be able to turn on the landscape mode on your iPhone. Now if you want to use your iPhone into in landscape mode, then you have to simply turn your iPhone into sideways. After that, you will be able to use your iPhone in landscape mode. But before this, you have to make sure that your orientation lock is turned on. So here you can simply see that you have to simply open the settings, and after that you have to simply turn on your iPhone to sideways, and after that you will be able to use your iPhone in landscape mode. If it is not working, then you have to simply open any app, and after that you have to simply turn on your iPhone into sideways, and you will be able to use your iPhone into landscape mode. So in this way you can simply use your iPhone into landscape mode without any problem. So hope you have liked this video. If you get more videos like these, you can subscribe our channel.